Customer came in with a broke trailer spring, a TPU-161 or E5516, a 6-leaf slipper spring. So Chewy's going to replace it real quick and show you how. But also a side note, when you have 16-inch wheels like you see right here, you don't want to use these swivel flange nuts. That's not the right lug nuts. You need to use your regular standard cone nuts. Swivel flange nuts are for flat face wheels like 16-inch dual wheels or 17.5-inch dual wheels or 17.5-inch single wheels. So that's the trailer tip of the day. Don't use these. Wait. I got it just over. Those are the wrong lug nuts for the wheels. Don't use the swivel flange nuts. Supposed to use cone nuts. Use the swivel flange nuts on the dual wheels of 17.5 singles flat face. Oh, looks like he has some 8K hybrid Dexter axles on here, or the 7,200 pound. So first he's going to take off the bolts right here. He's going to take off that 9/16 by 3.5-inch bolt.
Do you have that on the range for this?
I got my arm.
Wow.
The other part over there. Silencer.
What you got?
Just here to help you. Okay, so now he is banging on the bolt to try to get the bolt out of the hanger operational kit. And now he is bolt, and now he is screwing in the thing. Oh look, he already put the spring on. I missed that part. Okay. Okay, now Chewy's back with the 8K U-bolts for this big 8K axle. What are you doing now?
Kind of zip tie. For all of it. Not good anymore. So, I would see if the axle is go down, bro.
Why wouldn't it go down?
Well, did you line up in the hole?
So I know how to get it in.
I will see. I will see. You need to push forward. Oh, touchy. Oh my gosh. That's my boss trying to help me out. Look at that mess you do it. Oh, you need to go that way, bro.
Oh, you said forward.
Forward, that way. Your side. Huh?
No.
What? Hey, oh, hold on. Okay, push a little bit more.
Like that?
More. Oh, shit. Need to push more.
Huh?
Need to push it more. Almost.
Oh my god.
That's it?
That's it?
No, I say that's all you got.
Oh, I'm tired now.
Okay, let me take the
Oh my god. We're like an inch off.
Okay, I will push it and you control it. Okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Wait.
You need to push to the side, the spring in the bottom, push it.
Push it which way?
Line up the spring in the bottom.
Hold on.
I don't know if
Don't,
you need to go in or out.
don't move. Okay, I see. So yeah, you push that way and I have to push this way.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
Tag teamed it, baby.
I need a break. Okay, where's the new U-bolts? That's why the people in the styrofoam service are charging that.
Yeah, because they gotta push both ways. They take lots of breaks. Okay, so now we got the U-bolts on right there. One day.
You know what? Those people don't have any match. The old ones, the diesel ones, it's only the nuts. They don't come. Oh, maybe that's the way it don't come off. You can put a lot of nuts on it.
Yeah, they're like nuts.
Okay, we're for lunch.
You sure? I didn't like to sit it. No.
I told everyone, take your lunch right now because I don't know what's gonna happen in the next hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
We'll take a lunch after the power gets back on.
No. So where you see the neighborhood going somewhere.
That looks good.
Is it?
No?
I saw his car coming up.
No, you didn't.
He never told you about that lady she don't want the tire?
What?
The lady she don't want the tire?
Really? What? Then why did he tell me about it?
I don't know, bro. Oh man, it's okay, I paid for it. I don't need it, but I was gonna pay for the stuff. Dude, why did you do that, bro? I mean, to make sure don't want the tire, why did you just say, yeah, because he told me he needs those tires, and then say,
Say what? Too expensive?
no, because you say the tire, the one that is getting in his car is the one that is getting, when they get a nail or something on it, he hold the air for another 50 miles. I say, I don't hear anything like that, bro. The only thing is because the company for the vehicle is putting something kind of chemical inside, like but I mean, all the tires gonna be doing the same. And then when they told me, he said he's got a Lexus. He said, well, that's a Lexus company doing that crap like that. They just only put like a kind of green stuff on it. If you got a nail on it, he's gonna be seal it up. But that's not kind of special tire. But he's supposed to do that because if he wanted the dealership, he's gonna pay at least like a $2,000 for the 50 tires.
That's crazy. I can send them back. They just charge me to restock them.
Well, I mean, I told him, I mean, if you're gonna send them back, you're gonna pay for a recycling fee anyway. Or you wanna keep it? I say, well, I don't have any vehicle fee with tires on me. So anyway,
Cheaper just to send them back.
yeah.
I don't know what the restocking fee is, but
Anyway, it's gonna be paid, bro, no matter what.
I asked him, I said, you want this brand or you want this brand?
Well, the problem is not the brand, bro. The problem is the lady, she say she got a kind of tire like
She's
that.
crazy.
She don't know what the hell's going
It's like, oh, I want a Dior purse, or I want one of them fancy purses that cost $5,000. It's not just a regular purse, even though they both hold money. Although the more expensive purse is going to hold less money because you don't have any money to put in it if you spend $5,000 on the purse.
Exactly. something like that, you know. But anyway, but I told him, well, bro, don't do it anymore, something like that. If you don't ride, the people who's gonna be paying for you. If you don't, you're gonna get it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it at the 50.
What? Oh,
What?
yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Sure.
Watch out.
Okay, now he's plugging the bolt in.
Okay, can you kind of get them?
Oh, now I get to tighten this bolt. Watch how I tighten this bolt really good. Like this, and you go. Tight.
Need more.
See, we're torquing. This is how we. Okay.
Holding your caballo, bro.
What?
I said, holding your horses. Okay. Do it, do it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put the freaking jack in the middle because I can put in my pack. Bottom.
So you're gonna need to put it on the equalizer?
Yeah.
Take your time. Look at his face. He looks like a little lost puppy dog. Hey, these tires, you go nailing them, no problem. They keep going. Front flat.
Dice que ya está también, si le mete un clavo no le pasa nada.
Sure.
No, no. Yo empecé primero aquí el proyecto. ¿Te digo? Uy, uy, uy. Mátame Despacio, despacio, no te puedo te aceleres.
Ándale, ándale.
Deja poner la llanta. Bien. Ahora no. ¿Puedo sacarlo? No, no se va a ¿Usted no hay luz? ¿No se ocupa, no? Sí, se ocupa. Ya está, digo aquí.
¿Cuánto vamos a
Pues el
sacar?
lonche que me van a pedir.
Pues dice que no hay cruz, nivel.
Sí, acá.
¿Cuál va? Una gata y tú. Yo ya voy a comprar una.
Generador. Conecta para los trasladadores de película.
Una vez que me traiga microondas para calentar ahí. Ahí, ¿verdad? Y nosotros estamos batallando porque queremos.
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Bueno,
¿Qué estás haciendo?
dime. Mate, vos.
Más tires, eso tires.
Dice que lo más barato que sale es que le mande de regreso que pague el recycling. Me lo van a cobrar.
Vaya. Va.
Con tu tron. $5,000. O $5.
¿Está bien? No tiene por una pila y ya se me acabó.
Dile que me libre, ¿no?
Ahorita va a hablar ya.
¿Cómo no?
Sí, sí lo ocupo, quedó muy poco. Bueno, a tu parte.